Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Valentine's Day meringues. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your egg whites and then whisk them on a high speed until they become frothy. This does not take very long at all, but once you've achieved the fluffy or frothy stage, you can then go ahead and start adding the sugar 1 tablespoon at a time until it's fully incorporated. This does take a bit of time, but you want that sugar to be fully incorporated, as otherwise your meringues will be granular when you bake them off later on. Don't forget to add in your vanilla extract, as this will just help flavour the meringue a little bit more, as it's got its own unique flavour, but with the vanilla makes it much nicer. Then stop the mixer, add in your food colour and mix until it's fully incorporated. You're looking for a bit of a kind of a vibrant pink, but if you want to do less, use less colouring. If you want them brighter, use more food colouring. It's really up to you. Then transfer the mixture into a piping bag, grab yourself a baking tin, and into each corner pipe a small amount of the meringue mixture. This will just help to secure the paper in place, as otherwise it will move all over the place. So just to secure the edges down, then you can go ahead and start to pipe your meringue mixture out. I've done kisses, some ropes like into the shape of a heart, but it's really up to you, it's your choice. As an optional finish for the meringues, I added some glitter onto them, which is just an edible glitter that you can spray over. And then, as an optional finish, just use some of these mini heart sprinkles on top of the meringues. They don't lose colour and they're very bake stable, so make sure you're using a good quality sprinkle and edible glitter so they'll both appear in the end result. So once you've got all of your meringues piped out and ready, you can then go ahead and place them into your preheated oven. I'll leave all that information in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you are interested in making this recipe, as I do use these meringues in a recipe that I'm going to be sharing later this week, so don't forget to check that out. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.